Hey Holistretch fam, welcome to a Holistretch video. My name is Frances Eve. This is my friend Tarina. Today we are going to be showing you some quick stretches for the lower body, the hamstrings, your hips, and your calves. So if you're someone who has tension and tightness in your hips and calves, then grab a partner and join us on the floor. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please do below, and we'll see you in the video. Welcome back, everyone. Go ahead and sit with your partner across from each other. We're going to sit cross-legged if you can. If not, you can do this in a butterfly position. And what you're going to do is bring your hands to your partner's shoulders. You want to separate yourselves as much as you can. Stretch your arms open and stretch them nice and extended. In this manner, you can open up your upper back and relax your neck. This is really nice to stretch out the spine and also your hips. Try and melt into the stretch and take some deep breaths. Use your partner's body weight to gently push against them to lift your shoulders back. We'll go ahead and switch. So switch legs, whichever leg was in front. Move it to the back and vice versa, and then we'll go again. See if you can switch the position of your arms. So if your partner's arms was under, see if your partner can go over this time. Bring your hands to their shoulders and relax down. Try and find a comfortable place. You may have to adjust your arms. And lift up and out of the hips. Nice breath. Beautiful. Coming back up. We will go ahead and move on to opening a single leg hamstring. So go ahead and extend one leg out and mirror your partner. Bring your feet together and your hands together all on one side. You're also going to bring your other hands together on the other side and flip open to the side. So rotating your torso. And in this way, you open up your whole side body and your hamstring. Using your partner to help you get a deeper stretch. See if you can lift up out of that side body, keeping that hip down. If this is too much of a challenge, feel free to bend that leg. Good job. Let's come out and switch sides. Opposite leg this time. And hold on to the same arm and the other arm, rotating the torso over to the side. Nice open chest, open ribs, open lungs, stretching out the side. And feel the stretch alongside your whole lower back, your QL. You can play with how wide you have the arms. Very, very nice. All right, next we're going to bring both legs in front of us. So opening both hamstrings, bringing both of your feet together and reaching for the hands. This may be a bit of a challenge for some of you. If so, feel free to bend your knees if needed. Go ahead and let your feet press against your partner's feet, and your hands can be held in monkey grip if it's easier. And see if you can drop your head and neck. This could be a nice stretch for your upper back, mid back, as well as your neck and your hamstrings. Nice deep breaths into your spine. And come back up. Okay, moving on to the adductors. We're just going to open up our legs here and meet our feet with our partner's feet, just like before. This time accessing the groin, the inner thigh, grasping onto the hands. This time we're going to go one partner at a time. So one of you guys bends forward with the arms up in the air, getting a nice opening in the groin, being sure to resist the stretch just a little bit so that you don't overstretch this sensitive area. Nice deep breaths into the inner legs. And then switch. Other partner, lifting your arms up and round down. However you feel the stretch, if it feels good, then allow yourself to continue melting down into that space. If it's too painful, you can always bend your knees and not go as low. Nice deep breath. And continue to release the head and neck, and then slowly round yourself up, lift up. Awesome job. I had so much fun stretching with my partner. I hope you had fun as well. If you guys haven't checked out the upper body stretches, check that one out as well so you get a full body stretch. And we'll see you in the next video. Feel free.